Are you considering a career change and looking for opportunities in new industries? Meet iHire's Career Explorer. We'll help you take the first steps towards a new career by suggesting job titles outside your default iHire industry based on your transferable skills. From the home page, click Resources, Career Explorer. Tell us which job titles interest you and choose the industry. We'll do the hard work and recommend relevant iHire communities. These communities will be added to your iHire community list at the bottom of the page. After you've logged into a new community, you can quickly toggle between communities with the drop-down menu located in the upper left-hand corner of the site when you're ready to browse job postings. You can also explore new career paths by telling us which skills and credentials you'd like to use in your next job. New skills can be added in your iMatch Job Preference Center. Click Add Skill and add skills by suggested skills, popular skills, or popular credentials, or add your own. You can even tell us what skills and credentials you don't want to use in your next job. Navigate back to the Career Explorer and click Explore by Skill. Based on the skills you've entered, we'll suggest relevant career titles that use those skills. Select the titles that interest you, and they will appear under the suggested talent communities below. Learn more about each suggested career title with the click of a button. We'll show you more information about that role, including average salaries in your area, work activities, how much preparation is needed for that job, work experience, and education that are needed to succeed. You can also opt into our Career Explorer job alerts from your notifications center. You'll receive the freshest jobs based on your Career Explorer preferences right in your inbox. Premium members can visit our Resource Center to get started exploring new career paths today. Not a premium member? Upgrade anytime through your membership settings. If you have any questions, contact our customer success team at 866-238-0161.